bafethu i-crime e-America mengiyicompare ne-crime e-South Africa, I wouldn't say they are the same. E-South Africa i-crime abantu bakhona bo-clever, ba-smart blind, ngathi bayifundele kuyabona ba-advanced, they get away with it like crime bayifundele labantu mfethu, and i-crime yakhona ihlangane namagata wakhona ayenza izinto ezi-off kuyabona, whereby lana e-America amagata afuna ukuba ama-hero, amagata abhaya yiyo afuna ukuba ama-hero kuyabona, afuna ukupraiswa for anything ebayenzayo, like ukukhetha igebengu, bamba igebengu mfethu, it's a big deal to them. Bahlala bafuna inkinga nje, they're always looking for trouble. Mongabhekisisa kahle nakuma-video vele lawa trendayo nani, they're always looking for trouble, they're always looking for umuntu nje ongathi kuyabona, they're suspicious of anyone and everyone. So to give you an example, ngiyakhona ukuya egaraji, like a gas station, petrol station, ngiyothela ngishiya imoto yami iduma mfethu ngaphandle, uyangithola, and mina mengihamba nge-VW, and ngiyayazi i-VW ke ekhaya ukuthi yes ziyahamba lezi zinto, like angeke ushiye imoto iduma, uma uyikhiya kumele ucheck-e nomnyango kayi-3 ukuthi ukhiwe, uyangithola. So mina eyami ngishiya iduma yonke into mnandi, like especially nge-winter, because ufuna ifudumale kewabona, so you leave it iduma. I-truck yami I leave it unlocked, ngishiya nekhiya phakathi khona i-plug nyana la ngizibeka khona, futhi ziyabonakala ngiyazishiya kewabona. So it's not something that you could do eMzansi leyo. So i-crime yasemzansi bafethu, i-crime yasemzansi i-crime yasemzansi mina ngiyayisaba vele, ngoba abantu bakhona abo-clever too much abo-clever blind. So mase kufika kulezo zinto vele, I could honestly say ukuthi mina I've never come across nje i-crime ongathi nje ibhekele njengasekhaya, yabona e-America. So yeah. Oh, and then ngiceda ukukhumbula enye into, there was this one time ngitravela and ngiceda ukuthela i-diesel phakathi kwe-truck yami, and then mengijahile, so ngakhohlwa i-wallet yami yabona outside the window le cash register, ngiyikhohlwe lapho, and there was someone behind me. Loyo muntu lo bekasemva kwami uyibonile le wallet le, and wangilandela, and I was ready to leave, wangilandela wagijima athi ntwana nayo i-wallet yakho nani unginike le wallet, le cashier engibhadale kuyo nginika i-card yami. I even forgot my card, nale cashier yeza igijima yanginika i-card yami, yangithola, and until this day I'm still using the same card leyo, yabona. So azange kwenzeka umshikashike ku-card yami. So izinto eziso vele ngiyazi-appreciate mfethu, which I wish nasekhaya ngabe zayenzeka, and yabona manje eshubutsotsi yo.